Hello guys, so welcome to Pitching in Line. So IPL 2021 is not so far, and we have seen teams preparing themselves to come and to prepare themselves for the next year, next edition of the tournament. So we will go one by one. We'll go team by team in a particular video. In this video, we will talk about Royal Challengers Bangalore. We'll talk about their players, whom has been retained, and we'll see where they have to work. So, bro, what do you make out of RCB's team? These are the players which they have retained.
Hmm. Right now for RCB, the biggest factor will be that they have released many players. They have released many players, and this is a mini auction. This is
Yeah,
not a major auction, so the players availability will be very less.
yeah.
It's not like you don't really see many star players. You don't find many star players in the mini auction. But they have to be very smart with their buys. They have a very good purse of 35.7 crores.
Hmm.
So they do have a lot of purse, but I'm not really sure how can they really find out the players. But let's go with the batting department first. Um, Devdutt Padikkal has been the find of the year for RCB last year.
Correct.
So him, Virat Kohli, and AB de Villiers, they will be there.
Hmm.
And I think what we have seen last year also is that RCB kind of didn't have that firepower in the middle and lower order.
Hmm.
They bought Chris Morris for 10 crores, but
Hmm.
he was injured and he didn't really deliver that much. So I feel that probably RCB will go for that middle order and lower order batsmen. So do you see any players who will fit in for what RCB will require in their home conditions?
I think for first, I think Daniel Sams. I think they have bought him. They have traded him only because of that all-rounder spot, which was left void by Chris Morris. But I still don't understand why Chris Morris has been dropped. That's again another point of debate. Apart from that, I guess somebody like Daniel Christian. Actually, yeah, I know he hasn't had a good,
Mm,
IPL in the previous years whenever he has played. But again, no, the form which has shown in Big Bash, he
mm,
had a terrific Big Bash this year. He has contributed with the bat and ball. So I think somebody like
mm.
Dan Christian will really fit in, and they might even want to look out for somebody like Glenn Maxwell, which will sort that lower order problem.
Yes, I think yeah, Glenn Maxwell. Yeah, he had a horrible season last year. But again, a player of that quality is very very limited. So I do expect people to go after him and actually fetch him at least 5 to 7 crores minimum. But I think Glenn Maxwell will be certainly suitable for RCB and in Chinnaswamy. Chinnaswamy is a very very small stadium, so
Hmm.
probably he can take advantage of that. And Daniel Christian also is a very very good choice. He can bowl, he can bat. He's a big hitter, so
Hmm.
that is also. And they have 4 slots for foreign players. Now they have AB de Villiers, Zampa, Josh Philippi, Richardson, and Daniel Sams. Then
Hmm.
they have 3 slots foreign players. Do you reckon they go? I think they should go for a fast bowler. What do you think? Because there's only Kane Richardson,
Yeah.
Dip Saini, and Siraj. They left out Umesh Yadav. Daniel Sams isn't like express pace bowler. So do you see them targeting fast bowlers?
I think they will require a fast ball because the death bowling has been an issue for RCB from past few years. We have seen that.
Mm,
I think for them, the somebody like Jai Richardson, if you know that, he is also a good death bowler. He plays for Perth Scorchers in Big Bash, and he is a gun bowler. He has pace. He bowls at 140, 145 clicks easily. Somebody like him
mm.
will be an ideal, and we can also see somebody like Relay Meredith, who's also a pacey bowler. Somebody like
Okay,
that
from Australia.
from Australia.
And one more question. Do you see RCB going for Steven Smith?
It will be a tricky situation for them if they are thinking Josh Philippi in their opening 11. Like if they want
Mm,
Josh Philippi, Devdutt Padikkal to open, Kohli at three, and ABD Villiers at 4. I think their batting order pretty much sums up. But I don't think if you have Steven Smith, and I don't know if you they can buy Steven Smith and keep him on the bench. But yeah, if they feel that yes, they need a solid number three in experienced number three, then they might go for them. But I don't know as of now. I don't know really
Yeah,
because of
I
Josh
don't really
Philippe's
see.
retention. Because of Josh Philippe's retention.
Yeah, I mean, I personally don't really see Smith coming here. I think probably see with Devdutt Padikkal and Kohli might open. Though Kohli has come at number three last season, and they qualified for the playoffs as well. But I feel Kohli opening would give him a lot of balls, and he's this kind of he's a dominating kind of a batsman. The more he plays, he'll keep your team in a much better situation. So I think RCB should have to look into giving as many as balls available to AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli. So I think if they can probably aim in the middle order and lower middle order. We already spoke about Glenn Maxwell, and if they want to actually see Indian contingent, uh, Shivam Dube is I think that release has surprised everybody.
Yes.
Probably they're trying to buy back at a cheaper price if that is the plan. He can probably fill the void. If they feel that he is not the person when it comes to Indian batsmen, then they can actually go for Kedar Jadhav. Though he's out, he's past his prime,
Hmm.
but I think he's the only probably experienced Indian player who could come and play at that kind of situations.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, Kedar Jadhav has played for RCB before, but I don't see him getting into the RCB because given
Mm.
his form, given his temperament, he hasn't really impressed. So I
Mm.
don't see him. Do you see somebody like you know Kedar Davedar, Muhammad Azharuddin finding buyers in RCB?
Yeah, I think they can take it. They can take them because there are no explosive batsmen who will come at lower down the order for Bangalore right now. They badly need players like Maxwell or players like Azharuddin, and I think Washington Sundar will play a huge role.
Hmm.
I think I believe the fact that they released Shivam Dube is because probably they felt Washington Sundar could play that role.
Hmm.
Play that opening. That sorry, their first choice all rounder in the team because he can bowl those 2-3 overs in the power play, 1 over somewhere below 10 overs. So I think Washington Sundar will play an important role. But to see him as a low order finisher, I don't think so. I mean, it's not very fair to expect a lot of things from him. But I think they'll go for hard hitting batsmen from Indian and foreign contingent as well.
Yeah, so that was it, guys. So our take on RCB squad and what they have to do further to strengthen their squad and make themselves, tournament ready for 2021 edition. So we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.